Eating seafood commands instant improvement after 50. 52 hit me like a brick wall. Energy vanished by noon, brain fog clouded my thinking, and joint stiffness made mornings miserable. I tried everything: supplements, exercise routines, diet changes. Nothing worked consistently. Then my cardiologist mentioned something unexpected during a routine visit. He said the secret might be swimming in the ocean, not walking on land. What happened next melted my fatigue faster than any treatment I'd tried. Within 3 days of adding specific seafood to my meals, mental clarity returned. 1 week later, afternoon energy crashes disappeared completely. Today, I want to share how seafood commands your body to make rapid improvements that most people over 50 never discover. Aging reduces our body's ability to produce essential compounds needed for energy and cellular repair. Seafood provides concentrated nutrients that directly target age-related decline. The Journal of Nutrition and Aging confirms that marine-based nutrients significantly improve vitality markers in adults over 50. Here's how seafood transforms your body after 50, backed by research and personal transformation. Salmon became my energy powerhouse. Wild-caught salmon contains astaxanthin, the most potent antioxidant found in nature. This compound crosses the blood-brain barrier and protects mitochondria from age-related damage. Research in Marine Drugs Journal showed astaxanthin improved physical endurance by 55% within 8 weeks. I eat 4-ounce portions 3 times weekly, grilled or baked with minimal seasoning. Sardines surprised me with their fatigue-fighting properties. These small fish contain coenzyme Q10 levels that rival expensive supplements. CoQ10 fuels cellular energy production and declines dramatically after age 40. The American Journal of Cardiology published findings showing sardine consumption increased energy levels within 2 weeks. I eat 1 can daily on salads or with whole grain crackers. Mackerel delivered brain fog relief faster than any nootropic supplement. That omega-3 content in mackerel supports neurotransmitter production and reduces neuroinflammation. Studies in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience demonstrated that regular mackerel consumption improved cognitive function in adults over 50 within 1 month. I prepare fresh mackerel twice weekly, seasoned simply with lemon and herbs. Oysters provided zinc levels that transformed my immune system overnight. Zinc deficiency accelerates aging and reduces energy production significantly. 6 oysters contain more zinc than most people consume in a week. Research in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine showed zinc optimization improved vitality scores by 40%. I consume fresh oysters weekly when available or high-quality canned versions. Shrimp became my secret weapon against muscle weakness. The high-quality protein in shrimp contains all essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance after 50. Creatine naturally present in shrimp supports energy production in muscle cells. The Journal of Nutrition published studies showing regular shrimp consumption preserved muscle mass and strength. I add shrimp to salads, stir-fries, and pasta dishes 4 times weekly. Tuna provided selenium levels that supercharged my antioxidant systems. Selenium activates glutathione peroxidase, our body's master antioxidant enzyme. This system becomes less efficient with age, allowing oxidative stress to accumulate. Research in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed tuna consumption increased antioxidant capacity by 35%. I choose light tuna twice weekly to minimize mercury exposure. Anchovies delivered calcium and vitamin that strengthened my bones and improved sleep quality. These nutrients work together to support bone density and regulate circadian rhythms. The Bone Journal published findings showing anchovy consumption improved bone markers in postmenopausal women. I add anchovies to salads, pizzas, and pasta sauces regularly. Preparation methods maximize nutrient absorption while preserving delicate compounds. Grilling and baking preserve omega-3 fatty acids better than frying. Steaming maintains water-soluble vitamins that support energy metabolism. I avoid breading or heavy sauces that add empty calories and reduce nutrient density. Timing seafood intake optimizes energy benefits throughout the day. Morning seafood provides sustained energy that lasts until afternoon. Lunch portions prevent the typical post-meal energy crash. Evening seafood supports overnight cellular repair and recovery processes. Quality matters significantly for safety and effectiveness. Wild-caught fish generally contain higher nutrient levels than farm-raised varieties. Smaller fish accumulate fewer environmental toxins while providing concentrated nutrition.